Hey guys, just wanted to talk about a program I found a long time ago. Was hoping I could use it to make my own or host my own repo or whatever. I use it for file sharing, and it's also got a built-in website. There's nothing to install. There's no my SQL or none of that crap. It don't install. It's an exe Windows file, so this works in Windows. If you got Linux, I guess you can run it through Wine. Probably get it to work. Not really my bag of tea there. So let's run it. Of course, it's going to ask for administrator rights. Okay, this is it. It's already running. Uh, when you start, you'll be in easy mode. I clicked expert mode so I can see this top speed stuff here at the top. When something hits you, you'll see a bar graph there of your internet being gone. Here's all the stuff you're hosting. Here's where the people will show them in the list here. And over here's what they're doing also. Okay, so the only thing you really need to do is tell web port don't leave it on 80 or 8080. The websites or your internet will not like it, or your ISP won't like it. They normally block it, so change it to anything. Uh, now, to get the server up, you click this self menu and then self test. And if it fails, don't worry about it. Okay, that succeeded the first time, that's great. But sometimes you have to do it 10 times before it works. But once it works, it works. Now, let me show you the website portion of it. Now, wait, let me go back over here. If you look right here in the address bar, because it found the external link, if you type in this here into your browser, which is right over here, this is my IP and the port with no file name or nothing. That shows everything you got right. Oh, yeah. So if you go into movies, you see some movies. Okay, you see quite a bit of movies, but and these are downloads. I mean, look, this Cloverfield Lane, whatever, MP4. Uh, got the DVD, ripped it to MP4. So it's perfectly legal. Now watch when I click that down here at the bottom here, to be a bar pops up showing me downloading it. Yeah, and I'm gonna hurry up and go over here before it downloads it. But if you look over here, you can tell that it is downloading that. It shows my IP. Now I'm on my same internet, so it's not using burning up my internet. But there's still that the the external IP. As long as you open up your port in your router, this program will work. Anyway, so I wanted to show you here because when you add something, sometimes you get a choice between a virtual uh, folder and what they call real folder. Now, I'm going to add another folder here. Gotta find it here. Be under code EL. Gen 2.2, sure. Okay, we'll add the repo. I'll just leave it right there, the repo. And here, right here, it says real file. I'll leave it a real folder. Now here's the neat thing. And you see here on this graph, that was that little bit of a download I had. Uh, it tells you what file somebody tried to get. If you wasn't on the network, it shows the IP right here, the person that got it. Um, and you notice, even though I'm still on that website, there's no connection status down here. Everybody's either, well, these red X's down here at the bottom, those were the login server failed. No, wait. No, that's me. Okay, never mind. My bad. Some at the top. Yeah, this 185 was the server. Anyway, you notice I'm still not connected even though I'm still over here on the website. Now if I click back, you have to take my word, I'm going to hit this back button on the browser here, and you watch it over here, right around here, and you will see right now, I got to the top, there it goes. Now I'm connected. In a couple seconds, it's going to time me out. See, it already done it. And it only asks for a request when you click on something. So now, if you look over here, you notice there's a repo folder. So because that's a virtual, or not a virtual, a real folder, when I go into that repo generator folder there, I don't have to push nothing. It's literally you go into that folder, you do what you got to do to update your repo, I hope, and then um, it should be about that simple. Anyway, if you like it, it's called HFS. That stands for Home File Server. It's about a 2 meg download. If you guys can't find it, I guess I could send it to you. Anyway, let me know if that helps. And if you get this working on a gen repo or any repo, uh, yeah, let me know. 'Cause that's why I want to do it. I want to host my own stuff from right here. Oh, I want to show you one more thing. Uh, in my Kodi, what I use this for. Um, okay, I use this Easy Maintenance Plus. Watch this. Now you have to set this up. You have to go into settings. And then what I'm looking at is this wizard creator. Now normally there'd be nothing here, but you turn this tick on, you type in your name of the build, and then you would literally, from this other program, you put the link in there to your build, the whole zip of your whole build. And then when you get that, and you don't even need to change this right here to just show this icon here. So what you do is you just come up here to. Now I made a shortcut for my wizard there. I called it update, and I want to do the your daddy full. Tell it, yeah, switch to the default skin. Oh, and there's one other thing you actually have to do. You have to make actually a download folder for where you wanna where this thing's gonna download at, because it's gonna ask me here in a second. It's wiping my Kodi build right now, and then it's gonna ask me for a download location. So you might as well. And what it is that's the zip that you're downloading. So I got one here. It's in my C drive. It's in my Kodi backup. Yeah. Oh, something went wrong. Let me look. Ah, it's a name. Okay, yeah. Okay, no problem. My mistake. The new is what I use for my people or my people that get my build because the YD new is your daddy's for distribution because it's not logged into my YouTube. I use the YD Richies for that way I got my YouTube. I hate pairing that crap. Anyway, so now let's go back. My wizard. And see it remembered where it left off. It's not doing the other bit that it did earlier. Now it's got a download folder. Now while that's running, I want to show you over here. I'm gonna make this big so you can see it, but you can see the progress bar here. The download tells you 26 seconds left. Oh shoot, where's it at? Speed, what's that? 5 megasecond. But it's still on the 192. If it won't use the 108, my external internet IP, unless I'm not home. Anyway, I'll go back to this other thing here because this is almost done. Whoops, this one. Okay, it's done. It downloaded it. Now it's extracting it into the Kodi folder where everything needs to go for the build. And I'm looking here too on the other page. Let me go back to here. Fully downloaded YD Richie's 17.6 175.6 megabytes at 4.5 megabyte a second average. And here's that uh, the graph there on how much it was. And if you look through the list here, there's nobody still connected. I'm still on that website. So because I ain't clicked on that, and it put me on idle, and basically until I click on something, I'm not there, even though I'm looking at the website. If that makes any sense. Anyway, that's how I do my build. Now watch that. Sometimes this will crash. Well, which it didn't. But if it does, that's a good thing because that means Cody crashed and somehow you're back into your skin. But because it didn't crash, it's the only problem I got. You got to know how to get back into your skin, which I don't remember this damn thing. Here it is, interface. It had been a snake, it had bit me. It bit me. Want to keep that changed? Yeah, man. And then, bam, there's your build. Alright, well, let me know if this comes in handy. As I said, it's called Home File Server. If you can't find it, let me know. If I have it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that crap. I don't really care. I don't make no money off of YouTube. Just trying to pay shit forward, man. Alright, I'm out.